doesn't always need loud plans. Sometimes it just needs a quiet reset. Before stepping it into a new year, I just want to pause here for a moment. 2025 felt like a roller coaster, filled with lessons, joy, and experiences that I didn't expect but I will always carry with me. Some days were gentle, some were overwhelming, but every moment made this year meaningful. And before this year ends, I just want to thank the universe for the strength I found on hard days, for the patience I learned in waiting, and for the growth that happened quietly, even when I didn't notice it. With that sense of gratitude, I am resetting not to escape the past year, but to step forward with intention. December carries its own stillness. Sipping warm tea under the winter sun, I allow myself to slow down. And I want to reflect on something I have been reading lately, that subconscious mind doesn't respond to the dates or occasions, it responds to the thoughts we repeat. So January 1st is just another day, and consistency is where real change begins. Lately, my space has been a little messy, so I started clearing and cleaning. Decluttering gives me a sense of clarity and calmness. It shifts the energy of my space, lifts my mood, and creates an environment where productivity feels natural. Because a clear space brings a clear mind and a better energy to work with. As I continue with my ENT videos, I snack on a few dry fruits. It is a subtle reminder that healthy habits don't require a perfect moment or a new beginning. They can be cultivated anytime, anywhere, through small and intentional choices. As my space comes back into order, I'm reminded that reset is never just external. Clearing my surrounding naturally leads me to cleanse myself as well. I take a warm shower, letting the water wash away not just the physical tiredness but the mental noise as well. It grounds me, resets my energy, and gently prepares me to move forward with intentions. I allow myself some moments of laughter because a relaxed mind absorbs positivity more deeply than a stressed one. Joy isn't a distraction from growth, it is a necessary part of it. I don't see New Year as a sudden transformation. It is simply another day, but also a reminder that change is built quietly, over time. My resolutions are realistic, disciplined without burnout, ambitions with peace, health, purpose, and quiet confidence. This is how I choose to manifest my dream life.
Hello, you all. So I am all set to make my vision board, basically a digital vision board, which is going straight on my iPad's wallpaper and also on my phone's wallpaper. So first I am creating and collecting some pictures from Pinterest and then adding and designing it on Canva and then start creating. So yeah, let's go.
As I look at this vision board, I'm not thinking about becoming someone entirely new. It's about improving gently, consistently, and honestly. This new year, I'm choosing small, sustainable habits like reading more and more books, learning some new skills, and creating content more consistently. I know these aren't overnight promises, but those daily practices I am willing to show up for. With that note, I am ending this vlog and wishing you all a very, very happy new year in advance, and let's manifest our dream lives together. One intention, one habit, and one day at a time. See you in the next one. Bye.